things that they're hard, so we'll see how we feel about it. And we've got our quiet box, which is the thing we use on tours with Viking. So you bring that with you. This should be, oh yes, this is our little, treat area. I believe in our category, this is not refresh. This is just what you get. But I mean, drinks and food and everything is free on board, so it's just what you have in your room, I guess.
Okay.
And we have the drinks package, so we can get whatever we want whenever.
It don't matter, huh?
Let's see how. Oh, okay. First try. That's a first for me. All right. Not bad. Decent sized balcony. Beautiful day. Absolutely stunning.
Okay. I got a closet here?
Let's see. Should be. Oh yeah, there's a closet with some shelves, which is plenty of space, honestly. Absolutely plenty of space. And then on this side, which is, to be fair, a little bit tight, robes, slippers, and the Viking umbrella that they give you in case it rains, and it will because we're in Iceland. And then additional storage right here, which is super nice. This one's the safe. Oops, sorry.
Okay, yeah.
That one's the safe. And then some more drawer space here. So yeah, there's the hairdryer in there. So yeah, tons of storage in this. I mean, for 7 days, yes, tons of storage. If I was doing a world cruise in this cabin, I think things would get tight. And then let's see, is that, how do I turn the lights on in the bathroom? I don't know how I turn lights on in the bathroom. I can't be this dumb. Oh, I bet you have to put a key card in.
This appears to be the case.
Yeah, I bet that's it. There we go.
There you are.
There's light. Ooh, okay. This is definitely one of the selling features.
Okay.
Really nice shower. Elegant, the Scandinavian design. Tons of storage in the bathroom, which is a shocker for, we're in the lowest category, by the way, Viking. So, tons of storage for this level of cabin, and a really large bathroom. We've been in some pretty tight bathrooms on cruise ships, so lots of space in here. You're not going to be lost for space, So yeah, that's the cabin. Not bad. I believe the first order of business is we need to complete our safety video, and then once we've done that, we can do whatever we want.